my advice to students of Yiddish is stay honest with yourself about what really draws you and what doesn't. You don't have to love all of it. This is an entire civilization. It is rich beyond our wildest imaginings. And nobody in any field would say, you personally have to be the steward and be accountable to an entire civilization. So if it's literature, great. If it's just modernist poetry, that's fine. If it's just a particular area in applied linguistics, that's fine. I think that there is a tendency when you are the Yiddishist, and there are so few of us, or when you are that serious student of Yiddish, that people come and they want you to know about everything, and they want you to have opinions about everything, and they want you to love everything, and you don't have to. You just need to find the parts of it that really do resonate with you, and then pursue them with a passion.